I need to look at these guys a little bit though. Okay. My fucking god, there's so many random bullshit I have to worry about this game, man. Dude, how am I supposed to know that's gonna come through? I have to play. I have to play Max Edgy. I have to. I didn't even KS that. How the Alright, alright. We're on the move though. On the move. Oh yeah, Ag CK. Yeah, how's no one did Ag CK? Ag CK plus Darkseer plus Refresher. I'm coming. I baited them though. I baited them, right? Yeah, they're all dead. They're all dead. They're all dead. All me. All me. Are we all dead? No, they're all dead. Are we all dead? Okay, it's all me, bros. I'm coming. I'm coming. I need KS this. The Bliat. Oh, does some damage now. CM? What am I CM? Is it Midas? Coming in, boys.